Our today's experiment is about we have to study the physical nature of the soil depending on the particles of sizes. As we know that soil is a mixture of different particles, means suppose it is having some gravel, sand, silt, clay, humus. Okay, so it means that the particle sizes of particles or the type of particles are not same in each and every type of soil. Suppose in case of sandy soil, the amount of sand is much higher than the clayey soil, or in case of loamy soil also, the sand or the clay portion and humus portions are not same. So according to the type of the soil, the particles and the number of particles may also vary. So in this particular experiment, we have to study the physical nature, means which type of particles are present on the particular soil sample. And for this, we have again taken here 2 or 3 soil sample, and according to the step by step, we have to just perform it. Okay, just follow the steps, and after completing the experiment, we have to just put the observation value on the table, and precautions should be taken during handling or performing the experiment. Okay, just follow the steps. এখন না তাহলেই হবে, আপনি ধরুন না আরেকটু মাটি তাহলে দিবেন। না some soil sample, and we have to pour it in the measuring cylinder. Okay, now we have to pour 150 ml of water in it. And then we have to shake it well. Okay, with the help of the glass rod, we have to stir it well, that the soil sample, so that it can be mixed with the water properly. Okay, in this way. And now we have to keep this setup in this way for at least 1 hour without disturbing this. We have to keep it for about 1 hour. Okay, same process will be repeated in case of sample number 2. Okay, same process. Again we have to stir it gently with the help of a glass rod. Just in this way, gently we have to stir it so that the soil can be mixed properly with the water. And again, this setup also you have to keep it for about 1 hour without disturbing it. Same processes should be repeated in case of sample number 3. So after 1 hour, we have to just notice about the layer. See, at the bottom of some particles become sedimented. Comparatively, in the top of the solution, it's slight clear. So we have to just measure each and every level of the soil. It means at the end, at the bottom of the portion, there are some sand and pebbles or gravels are present, whereas at the upper portion, see here, the humus portions are remaining, and here the more or less clear water. This occurs according to the weight. We know that the stones, gravels or sands, those whose weight are much higher than the humus portion, it becomes sedimented at the bottom of the beaker or bottom of the measuring cylinder. So we have to, with the help of our millimeter scale, we have to just measure this layer, this one layer, see, this layer, and this layer. We have to just calculate it or measure it with the help of a millimeter scale. Okay, same thing in this sample, and it varies depending on the type of soil. As we know that in the sandy soil, the part of the sand portions or the stone portions are much higher in comparatively the other soil. So here the level is slightly greater than this soil sample. Okay, so in the observation table, you just have to measure it and put it on a tabulated form. and at last you have to put the or fill the observation table in this way. Just first thickness of the different soil layers in millimeter, gravel, sand, silt, okay, humus, just in this way, and at last you have to write the type of the soil. Okay,